What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at this cryptocurrency, and I see a massive bullish setup that if we break this resistance, we are going to come all the way up here to these price levels, and I'll show you why in this episode. We're also going to take a look at the logarithmic chart because we are bouncing here from this support of this channel. Does this mean that in the next coming months, we are going to have a massive rally? We're going to check out this crypto in this episode. We're also taking a look at Bitcoin here, just about to break this major support level. While I take this video out, maybe we have broken out this support already. I'm going to show you the different price targets and where potentially the Bitcoin price can go in the next coming hours and days. Also, we'll be taking a look at Ethereum, still bouncing in between this resistance and this support channel, as you can see here that we mentioned yesterday. My trades are still open for Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. You know, I've got some swing trades open here. I'm not planning to close anytime soon. If you are interested in trading, check out the PrimeXbt leverage trading platform by using my link in the description, and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. You're getting 50% added to your deposit. And Bybit is my favorite swing trading platform because of the fees. They are slightly cheaper than PrimeXbt. You can get up to $1,610 worth of bonus. Said this, let's dive in straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I do daily TA on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. I also do live streams to connect with the community. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in. All right, zooming in here on this cryptocurrency, which is Vechain, okay? Vechain, I'm extremely bullish on the supply chain here. This cryptocurrency is going to be absolutely great in the next coming years, in my opinion, okay, not financial advice. Now, what I see here is a massive bullish setup here on Vechain, and this is this massive, huge double bottom Adam and Eve scenario. We still haven't touched the resistance here, which is currently around about the 14 cents, okay? This is a massive bullish setup. I do believe that this is going to play out in the next coming weeks, okay? Note that this is perfectly fine to still have another major correction just below 10 cents potentially before we continue to the upside, okay? So this could happen in the next coming weeks, maybe in September, maybe, yeah, I don't think in October. I think in October we should be heading to this resistance already and breaking out of it by October for sure, in my opinion. So now this setup over here, measured move target, okay, we want to zoom in here and we can clearly see that this has been a major resistance. This is just around about the 14 cent level, okay? It has been a major support right over there and major resistance, so it is an important level. We've been bouncing up and down from it, okay? So now as soon as you have this spike over here, which would be the Adam, and now you have a nice, very nice round bottom. This is a huge accumulation. This is the price getting bought back up, ready for an explosion for the price to make higher levels. Now, as soon as we break this resistance here, clearly, which is currently at the 14.5 cents, okay, we want to see a nice clear breakout from this range. This is going to confirm the measured move from this, okay? Now, the measured move is getting the support all the way to the resistance. From the breakout, this could take the Vechain price all the way up here to the 22 cent level. And if we zoom out, okay, it would make perfect sense. We will be reaching almost all-time high, which is around about the 27 cents range, okay? So, yeah, this is going to be a critical moment, okay? We are going to see if the price is going to able to break all-time highs. We're going to have to check out Bitcoin and Ethereum, how this market sentiment is, okay? But this is very, very likely it is going to happen in the next coming weeks. So we'll be paying close attention here on Vechain, on the live streams, and also on my videos. Now, the bearish case scenario here would be getting rejected from where we are, you know, maybe breaking this major resistance that we've broken out from and coming down to the 10 cent range, okay? So nothing too bearish. This would still continue, okay, to be pretty bullish. This is a very, very huge double bottom, very good bullish setup. So we'll be taking a look at this in the next coming weeks, but this is my opinion on what's going to happen. Now let's take a look at Vechain on the logarithmic chart, because you can clearly see we have a huge massive uptrend, okay? Since the C19 crash here on March of 2020, we've created this channel. We've been bouncing here very, very nicely on this support, and also we created a resistance here from these higher highs. we had a little bit of a fake out, but a long consolidation here before we had the May sell-off. So we are creating a very strong uptrend channel. We stayed here for a couple of weeks here, as you can see, around the support range, and now we are having, you know, this potential move. Now, if this huge Adam and Eve, which would be this one right over here, okay, plays out, it would make sense that, you know, potentially entering into 2022 this is the kind of setup that we are going to see, and Vechain could potentially, if we do follow this channel, go all the way up to the 90-cent range. Okay, I'm not sure if this is going to be the all-time high, okay, of this of the peak of the cycle, but you know, you can clearly see the projection of this channel, so it would make sense that round about these levels, this might be the peak of the market. It might be 80 cents, 70 cents, 90 cents, but round that range, it would make sense that, you know, if we do follow this channel to the upside. So this is what I got for Vechain. It does look very, very bullish by looking at both of the charts that I'm just showing you right now. Now let's update here Bitcoin, because Bitcoin now is looking, you know, it looks like it does want to have a retracement, guys. We have been pumping like crazy for the last few weeks, and it does make sense, you know, to have some type of correction. I wouldn't be happy if we still started pumping, going to 50,000, 52,000. No, guys, the more we pump, okay, without having a correction, the harder the correction is going to be. We do not want to see a correction from $52,000 all the way down to $40,000, $38,000, do we? We don't want to see a 12, 15,000 crash in just a few days. We want to see, you know, the price consolidating, going sideways a little bit to the downside before we have the next major leg up. So here on Bitcoin, what we can clearly see, by the time I might get this video out, we are breaking this support level. But if we break this support range, I think it is likely that we are going to have a retest at the $45,000 range. Okay, this has been strong resistance and support right over here. Now the 46,700 where we currently at is a major resistance turned into support right now. We are getting some type of bounce here, but now after having this major run up for the last few weeks, it would make sense to have, you know, a decent 5-10% correction. That is in the cards, guys. So I wouldn't be extremely bullish in the short term. Wait for the price to come to nice support levels. If we zoom out here on the 4-hourly chart, you know, we do want to see the price come to 45, even to 42.3, okay? Would be extremely good. $43,000 approximately range, you know, plus minus 500. That would also be an extreme support level right over here. But even though, you know, I might be placing some swing trading longs here, we'll be doing this live also on the live streams and also on my channel. If we do have some correction, I will be notifying you if I am going long, because I do believe so. If we zoom out on the daily, that this bump and run scenario is going to play out beautifully. All right, we've been talking about it for this here for weeks. We were one of the first channels, okay, mentioning this bump and run phase. So a nice correction from here, I would be extremely bullish. I do think that we are going to have a major bounce from the $40,000, $42,000 range if we do come all the way down to these levels. Now, the reason that we are getting a major rejection at this level is because it has been heavy support here. There has been quite a lot of traffic around this range. That is one reason. We also seen slightly bearish divergence on the daily. Okay, the RSI is making lower highs, the price action is making higher highs. So guys, some type of correction is got to be healthy for the market. I don't want to see the price of Bitcoin going to $52,000, $55,000 in the next coming days or next coming week. I want to see a nice correction. Okay, it is time for the price to come back to these levels, so we can, you know, start scooping up, you know, and get extremely bullish and get into some potential long orders. Now, that was the second reason, the RSI. The third reason is that if you get the Fibonacci retracement, like mentioned before, from the swing high to swing low, $30,000 range, okay, we are just about breaking the 50% levels. Now, 62 golden pocket would be about $51,000, so we could still potentially have that next major leg up before we have the massive rejection. But if I take the Fibonacci retracement, okay, from this, okay, being the retracement and this being the leg down, so that would be from the $60,000 range, we get the Fibonacci retracement, and like I mentioned before, guys, we are just about hitting the golden pocket area right now from this drop. Okay, this could be an impulse from from the all-time high could also be an impulse, but I like more this one. Okay, we are getting the rejection right now exactly at the golden pocket from this range. So this was mentioned also on the channel. You know, $48,000 range is, we are going to get some rejection, especially after this run up. So guys, 5-10% drop would be absolutely fine here for Bitcoin, in my opinion. We're just about hitting the golden pocket. There now, the bears are going to get a little bit overexcited, in my opinion. I think they're going to say, right, this is it, golden pocket. This is going to be the bull trap. We are going to drop to low levels. We are going to have that drop, and in my opinion, we are going to get a massive bounce here to the upside. So yeah, this is my take here on Bitcoin. We'll be updating you here. I'll be doing a live stream tomorrow, so make sure to hit that notification bell. And if you're an experienced trader, PrimeXbt has got the best bonus available, in my opinion. By using my link in the description, you're getting 50% added to your deposit by using Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. Okay, you cannot withdraw this bonus. It is used for buying power. I got a full tutorial in the description of PrimeXbt, so you can check it out. Let's take a look at Ethereum right now. We'll do a quick update, because yesterday, if you checked out our Twitter account, and also I mentioned this on the live stream, you know that we are creating a kind of an ascending channel over here. So it does look like, you know, this is very, very similar, like a distribution, like a small distribution phase. We are breaking, you know, these highs every single time, but you know, they are currently, you know, getting lower and lower. So this is like the third one already. We want to see a nice clear breakout with some nice volume. And now what we can see is that we are getting rejected from the resistance here of this channel. So it would make sense here also breaking 3,200, maybe potentially going back down to the $3,000 range, where we should be getting nicely supported from this channel. Now there are two targets here, one to the upside, one to the downside of this channel. If we do successfully break the resistance here, then you know the measured move is coming all the way up to the $3,600 range. Okay, plus minus $50 because of the volatility. And if we break down, depending on where we break down, this could push the price all the way down to the $2,750 range. Remember, the 2,900 is going to be heavy support. It has been heavy resistance in the past, so there is going to be some type of bounce here or rejection, making potentially not coming to the 2,750. We might have a quick wick to the downside, but I think that we are going to recover. We're going to recover pretty fast. Okay, so this is my take on Ethereum, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out from this video. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. Also, we got the latest technical analysis and news, so you can check it out. The link is down below. And if you do not know how to trade on Bybit or PrimeXbt, check out the tutorials video on the screen right now. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.